Okay, so here comes the guys. How you doing, Brian? Are you Brian?
No, I'm Paul.
You're Paul. Hey, Paul.
How you doing?
This is Ryan. He's interested in checking out how this works. All right?
All right.
We're gonna watch you drive away. Thanks, Paul.
Have a good day.
You too, buddy. All right, so there's Paul. Paul's in the back. Whoop. Very sunny, huh? All right. See what we can do. Check it out, huh? All right. There they go away. There's Paul. He's driving the back. There he goes. Alright. That looks like fun driving from the back, doesn't it, buddy? So he takes a left turn. There's Paul. He's in the back. He's turning like crazy. He helps the truck take a big left turn. Off they go. My man. See you, buddy.